Hey guys, how is it going? It's your boy Gaz9919, and what we're going to be doing is a new sort of thing really. So I've been given the task of looking after my dad's car for him and just sort of fixing a few things because it needs a bit doing, and he just sort of let me have it for a bit and said, look, here's a bit of money, do what you got to do. So this is going to be a sort of Project Mk1 focus, but it's not my car, and you know, there's a few things to do. So we need to change both front springs as one is snapped, and you may as well change them as a pair. We need to change the air filter, the spark plugs, oil, you know, basic service, and then it needs a new rocker cover gasket because it is seeping out of the rocker cover a little bit. But today we are mainly going to be doing just the air filter. Okay, so that is done, and it's not exactly a mega job, but it's, you know, quick 6-minute job. But I think that's just sort of a introduction to what's going to be happening in the next few videos and the stuff we're going to be doing. I'm not going to do the spark plugs just yet. I think I'm going to wait until I do the rocker cover gasket, and then I'll change the spark plugs, because the issue I'm going to have is I'm going to take the old spark plugs out, and I have no doubt in my mind that as soon as I take those spark plugs out, a load of oil is going to dive into the cylinder, which is obviously something you don't really want. So I'd rather that only happen once, in opposed to me changing the spark plugs and then the chambers get filled up again with oil. So I've not got to like clean twice. So I can just take the old gasket off, take the old spark plugs out, give it a good clean, put them in, and then it's guaranteed to not have any sort of any oil in there again. So I think we'll do that all at once, and that'll probably be next week's job or something like that. But yeah, this is a little sort of introduction to the Focus. But that is it for this video, guys. If you did like it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, peace.